Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there's one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They come provided in a box, so you can find it somewhere over there. And if you can't, you can always use a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just fine. So from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, right here. So just push it in like so. And from here, once you take it out, you'll have access to a single SD tray, which is the closest one to the edge, and then two different SIM trays. So you can have two different SIM cards in this device at once, if you wish to. And you place them both, the SIM cards with the cutout on the bottom right corner, like so, and make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and then while holding it securely, because there is nothing really holding them, so if you flip it over they will fall out. So hold them securely and then slide them back to the device. Give it a moment. There it is, so that's the pin for the SIM card. Let's put that in. And as you can see, the SIM card is working, and SD card as well, as you can see right here. So that is how you would insert SIM and a SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.